Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something truly unique, the Soyes mini phone. This tiny device claims to be the world's smallest 4G smartphone, and honestly, it's adorable. Just 3.7 inches long and 1.87 inches wide. It practically disappears in my hand. We'll see if small size means small performance, or if this mini phone packs a punch. First impressions? It's surprisingly light and feels well built despite its compact size. The 3-inch touchscreen is responsive, though obviously much smaller than what we're used to. The phone comes in a vibrant purple, but it's also available in black and blue. Soyes is marketing this towards kids and students, and I can see why. It's easy to handle, and the smaller screen might actually be a benefit for younger users. They also mention it's a great backup phone for travel, which I agree with. It's so tiny, it'll barely take up any space in a bag or pocket. Now let's talk specs. It's running Android 8.1, which isn't the latest, but it's functional. The 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage are decent for a basic phone, and you can expand the storage with a memory card, which is a plus. It's got a quad-core processor, so performance should be acceptable for everyday tasks. I'll be putting that to the test later. One area where this mini phone really surprised me is the battery. It boasts a 2,000 milliamp hours battery, which is double what you find in many other mini phones. Soyes claims this will give you all-day use, and I'm eager to see if that holds true. The camera setup is pretty basic, a 2MP front camera and a 5MP rear camera. Don't expect flagship-level photos, but they should be adequate for quick snaps and video calls. It also has facial recognition, which is a nice touch for added security. One important thing to note is the 4G compatibility. Make sure to check the listed frequency bands to ensure it works with your carrier. This phone is unlocked, so it should work with a variety of carriers, but it's always good to double check. Now for the real test. I've installed a few common apps like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Let's see how it handles them. Scrolling through social media is surprisingly smooth. There's a little bit of lag, but nothing major. Videos play without any significant buffering. Gaming might be a different story, but for basic tasks, this little phone performs admirably. The small keyboard takes some getting used to, but it's manageable. Overall, the Soyes mini phone is a fascinating little device. It's not going to replace your primary smartphone, but it serves a niche. It's a great option for kids, a handy backup phone, or even a minimalist device for those who want to disconnect from the digital world a bit. The long battery life is a definite advantage, and the performance is surprisingly decent for its size. If you're looking for something different, something ultra-portable, the Soyes mini phone might be worth checking out. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tiny tech marvel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.